Hello friends, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. You will earn $100 a day or $50 a day or more than $100 a day on YouTube without showing your face. You just need to create a prospective content, and I will give you a guidance. I will tell you how you can find a data for your videos, how can you find a keyword for your videos, and which a free software to create videos for YouTube. So if you're excited what's coming up, make sure to leave a like and comment below on this particular video. And if you love to watch make money on our videos, click on subscribe button below with bell notification so you always be notified when I uploading single video. So without wasting too much time, let's get started. So you might be wondering how people creating a video without showing your face. For example, as I do, I just creating video without showing my face with the help of Camtasia Studio and Audacity. These software are free to use. One of a paid, like Camtasia is paid, is you need to buy that. Otherwise, Audacity is open source software, so you don't need to pay a penny, even a dime, for this particular software. But there are many other editors which are free. For example, OBS, for example, Windows Movie Maker, for example, Google Slides, and there are many free online tools you can use there for creating this kind of prospective content. But today I'm going to show you how you can find the keywords. So the topic you will be covered without showing your face is anyone, like you are going to review about the social problems, about the problem people are facing by the PowerPoint. You will get free PowerPoint presentation software. Basically it comes if when you installed Windows on your PC, Microsoft PC, so you will get by default PowerPoint. So you will utilize that. You have option of basically there are many other software, like you have option of Windows Movie Maker. You can use that. You will have option of Hitfilm Express, which is freely to use and very simple software. So you can also use the trial of that particular software like Camtasia more, but I don't recommend it try for a long time. So basically I recommend you to go for the slasher softwares like Movie Maker, so you can easily create sites. So with that, now what I'm going to talking about is today to create a videos on top 10. Like you want to first of all you want to select a niche. For example, you want to create a video on top 10. So what I do, I just write top 10 and hit the space button. When you hit that, you will see that probably the most searching phrases nowadays on YouTube. When someone write top 10, so they are also write this and search this top 10 songs of the week, top 10 anime veterans, Fortnite players, songs, greatest in coach and tip. So these topics are gonna be viral nowadays, as well as Fortnite games are much more a much viral topic that grow people channel from 0 to hero. Look at this. These people are generating 7 million views with this one freaking video. Okay, so Fortnite basically are many big topic, but you can also use that. Okay, so what you need to do, just write top 10. For example, you will select a topic on top 10 cars, select that, and then click on and then put A, B and C. What does mean that you will see keywords that related to A alphabet, like top 10 cars and price, top 10 cars and bikes, top 10 cars isolation, top 10 cars and bikes in the world. For example, if I click here, so let's see how people do a work on that. So for example, I've come here, this is 2.555 second video. So I just copy this particular keyword and search Google for that. Now you just need images for this particular products. You will see that the channel have 27,000 subscribers, and this videos are freely to use by Creative Commons license, and this list are going good. Okay, so this you can also use the photos instead of videos. People are going to watch that because people love like that topics. So what you need to just come here and write top 10 cars and bikes in the world. So these are websites that allows you to download the free content from them, or you have also option to find the names of particular bike. For example, I have a bike of this names HMV Augusta, so I just paste here, and if I need images for that, so what I do, I just go to images section available here, and once I click here, I go to tools. Okay, so you can see that you will get lots of information from that, key specifications of that particular bike and all the things, all the good photos, Wikimedia Commons. You can see that there are credits of that. You can also give the credits to the user on your description. Otherwise, you have option to find a name of particular bike, for example this one, and just click on usage rights, and there's option known as labeled for reuse. Okay, click there. Once you click there, now you will find the free photos to use that without giving rights to anybody, because these photos are freely to use, and that Google allows you. You can just download for 5 to 6 photos for one slide, and you can create slides on Google site, which is freely to your movie maker, which is freely to your PowerPoint. So this is simple thing you need to do that. You just find the keywords like top 10 cars. So what you need to do, just go to here, there's a website Just Suggest. Just search on Google, and there's a tool is Just Suggest Expander. So just go here. For example, your topic is top 10 cars, and you can also find more about that, like top 10 cars and bikes. So top 10 cars, for example, this is your topics. Just go here and put your keyword, select your language, and click on submit, available here session, and just put a video on that particular keywords by searching data from Google. Like these are topics, free topics available. Now you can just create each video on each particular keyword. And for example, if this I think that there are 200-300 keywords, so you have only 2 and 3 videos on particular specific topic, so you will be go viral. So this is the ways to make money online without showing your face. You have option of PowerPoint. Let me write for you. You will option of hit film, which is freely to use. Hit film and PowerPoint, Camtasia Studio, Movie Maker, Google Slides, and for voiceover you just use Audacity software, which is freely to use and open, so you can download from Google right now. So this is the all steps you need to do. So that's it for today. You just need to find a keywords, create a prospective content, upload video regularly, do some SEO. I will upload a video about SEO on the near future right now, and right in the future. So you just need to do this, and after going your channel, you will earn a lot of money from that particular niche. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you leave a like and click on the subscribe button from so become my first subscriber and receiving the free gift of free PDF scripts. So click on subscribe button below with download so you always be notified when I upload single video. And goodbye, and thank you for watching this video. Everybody funkin', you know how.